Here is some dune damage. Wow. It's like some people been adding a little graffiti to it. You know, try reach up. So they did their job. So there you go. There's somebody that's helped out. That lets you see how high the dunes were. More dune erosion. Yep, so far it looks like the rocks did their job. This is almost right down at the inlet. You see these dunes got chewed up also down there. Something I never known was here. Little statue of an angel from a Cherry Grove Point. Huh. Look for angels everywhere is a little sign that goes with it. Looks like it did its job because I don't see a whole lot of damage. The dunes got chewed up, but again, it could have been a lot worse down here too. So good job to the angels, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.